welcome back to Secret today. Last episode for our firework display, we almost used all of the fireworks out of all of the droppers here. Let's destroy all the droppers that does not have fireworks in them, and that could actually show you how many fireworks we went through just in this not tutorial. Oh no. We are gonna need. Darn it! I'm gonna be able to show you how to make some more fireworks in this episode then. So if you're wondering how to make fireworks, I will show you inside this episode. Because I'm gonna show you how to build this machine over here today. So what you're gonna need is a block, a repeater, a redstone, a piston, a slime block, an obsidian block, a dispenser, and a redstone repeater. That is everything you're gonna need to make this here. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to make fireworks now. Yeah, I might just put fireworks in this inventory slot here, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Whew. So yeah, let's show you how to make fireworks. So if you go and grab some different types of dye, I'm just gonna grab a couple. Those three, and then we're gonna need. You gotta kill some creepers to get some gunpowder and paper from sugar canes. So, first off, you want to start by making this recipe here, and I'm going to just make a bunch of fireworks. If you're wondering how I'm not using any of the ingredients or items in the crafting table, I am holding down my mouse wheel to duplicate the items, which is actually the smarter way to go if you're in creative mode and you want to make a lot of fireworks at once. So yeah, I think I missed some. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I don't want these three items in there. I just want to see 8. Oh no. How do you edit this? Like, I can take blocks out, but I don't know how to put blocks in. Where did they just go? Did they really just disappear? Alright, I think they did. Alright, this tutorial has gone longer than it should have been going, so I'm going to step it up a little. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how to make this firework launching mechanism. It is really easy. What you need to do is you need to place a block down, a piston in the direction you want the fireworks to shoot out, so I'm going to choose that way. A slime block. So to make a simple clock, I'm just going to make something just like this. And you actually need 2 clocks. You need another one for the dispenser itself. So I'm going to make a clock exactly the same. So actually going in, I'm gonna, no, is that going in? Yep. I'm gonna give it a little bit of delay, and I'm going to activate both of them right now. If you didn't know, if you place a redstone block down and then a redstone torch, Okay. Oh, okay, I didn't put redstone on the opposite side. That's my fault. Now you can see they're getting launched out, but some of them actually go up. That's where that block right there comes in. And if you want them to guaranteed get launched out, that's easy. All you have to do is place more blocks out here, and then you'll know that they'll get launched out pretty far. And if you change the duration on the fireworks, I think that's by adding more gunpowder, so let's quickly do that now. Let's just grab some of that, and then we need some paper. So I think you add that. No, you don't add that now. Okay. You add that to the oh no, you add more to the firework itself. So now it says duration 3. Can you make it more than duration 3? Nope, duration 4 doesn't exist either. So this is just a regular lime green, but you can see it goes much higher. You can hardly see that on your screen. But I'm going to grab all those. And these right here that said flight duration 3. I'm going to fill it up with these. And you can't even see wow, so they're going off all the way over here. So you can have so you can have players out here watching your fireworks show when really your firework contraption is all the way over here. So yeah, you could have like people sitting down over here watching your fireworks show on your server. So I'm going to duration 1, duration 1, duration 1, duration 1, duration 1. So you can just have your Minecraft players enjoy the fireworks show. Because I'm going to do time set night, so you can actually see. So you can actually see if you stand like right here. Yep. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the second fireworks show and how to build this firework launching mechanism. Is it empty? Oh, it is. Let's just put a couple of those in. So those go pretty far. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode on how to make this really cool mechanism that just launches fireworks. It's really simple. If you also want to use observers, which will probably be a lot easier, all you gotta do is that, and then you could press and then you could place one down there. Awesome. So this is actually probably even better Yeah, let's look and see if it's even better. We still have this on me. So yeah, guys. Ooh, I wonder how this would look with like a creeper skull. If you didn't know, if you add different heads into making the firework, it'll make a different shape. So this is a creeper shape firework. I'll show you what that one looks like before I actually put it in the machine. And why don't I just do that? Alright, so here's what one of those looks like. So you can actually see if you're looking the right way. There was a bunch of creepers. So if we go, you can see. This one's my favorite firework, probably. So this is that creeper shaped one. Let's just put them in there like that. So just imagine standing like right here and seeing all these creeper fireworks being shot out. That looks really cool. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode on how to make this amazing firework mechanism. You can see as soon as they come out, they get launched too. So every single one of them will get launched. And usually they get launched 2 at a time if you look. Or maybe it's just moving so fast that it looks like they're getting launched 2 at a time. Alright, so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I will be back with more fireworks.